Welcome. In front of me is a Poco F5, and today I'll show you how you can bypass the Google verification on this phone. Now, before I get started, I'm just going to quickly mention that you can obviously see phone right here that I have is locked. It's telling me to draw the pattern that was previously used and also to use the Google account. Well, I can also use the Google account as a way of unlocking it. So, with that being said, let's just jump straight into the method. I don't think you will need an internet connection, so we can just back out to the first page, assuming you are not already on it. So right here, we're gonna hold volume up and volume down. Gonna select turn on. Gonna hold it again, I guess.
TalkBack on. Held volume keys. TalkBack turned on. Welcome to TalkBack.
I'm gonna mute it just because it's a little bit annoying. So here we're gonna write an L on the screen. Now I believe it's supposed to be mirrored, but just out of curiosity, I'm gonna check it out. Okay, so it looks like this is actually just a normal L. So we're gonna select screen search, and then we're just gonna double tap on it. I'm just gonna quickly consult with my guide right here. This is the first time I'm doing this specific method, so I am not too well versed in it, so forgive me if I'm needing to check it out for a brief moment. I'm gonna double tap on it, and from here we're gonna hold volume up and a volume down again.
TalkBack off.
And this turns off TalkBack. So now our screen kind of works normally. And here we're gonna select close and close. Gonna choose our language. So I'm gonna be sticking with English. So let's go to the next page. Then country, whatever, next. Now here we're gonna select the TalkBack Brilliant keyboard, I guess. Didn't even know that's an option. So yeah, that's what we're gonna select. I'm gonna go to the next page. Obviously scroll down, select that you have read and agreed. Next. It's gonna start looking for a SIM card. We can skip this. So let's go to the next page, which is the Wi-Fi connection page. And here I am connected to network, but this has no meaning. So I'm just gonna scroll down and I'm gonna select add network. And here I'm gonna select just a network name. So I'm gonna tap right here and we're gonna select turn on in accessibility settings. So tap on this. Then we're looking for accessibility menu right over here. You wanna enable it, allow, and OK. Now from here, you want to tap on it and then select the Google Assistant option, which is the very first one. Once you do, you will then need to say open settings, because this will be verbally told to the device it is Google Assistant. So I'm going to do it right now. Open settings.
Opening settings.
And as you can see, it opens up the settings for the device. And here we will just need to scroll down to additional settings, which is closer to the bottom of the screen, or the options. And we're looking for second space. So let's see if I can quickly find, there we go, second space. Now forgive for the ruckus that is right now outside the door. Hopefully it won't be too distracting, and we are very close to being finished anyway. So anyway, here we're gonna select turn on, and we will then choose this as a shortcut once it gives us the option. So continue, use shortcut, continue, and in here gonna skip this. Skip this, I guess. Yep, there we go. So once we have our second space active, which this is, well, our second space being active, we will now hold our power button. From there, we're going to select reboot again, and this will initiate reboot. And once the device boots back up, if I am correct in understanding the guide, we should have access to our main space. So we'll see if that's the case. And yes, we do. So once we have our main space open, there's one last thing that we need to do, which is navigate to our settings right over here. And then we're gonna select, what is it, about phone probably? Yep. And here we have factory reset. I'm gonna click on it and select erase all data, factory reset. Now this will give you a 10-second timer here on the next page as well, before we can actually confirm it. So I'm gonna click just this in a second, confirm it, and then once the timer runs out, you want to click on OK. Now I'm not gonna go through it just because it's kind of pointless. It is needed for the bypass, and just so it fully removes the protection, but I'm not gonna go through it on the video just because it's a lot of black screen. It's a factory reset, so there's nothing eventful happening there. And once the reset is finished, the device is fully unlocked at that point. So you can go through the setup of your phone however you like. So this will be the last step that you want to do. And yeah, from there, the device will fully unlock itself. So you're good to go afterwards. Now, with this being said, hopefully you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and thanks for watching.